Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video, this is actually a very sad video and one that I hoped I never would have to make. I have some very sad news about the Mercedes. You guys have probably known, if you've been watching the videos, that I've had that car for 12 years. No, almost 13 years. It's only got right now 142,000 miles on it. Done an absolute ton of work to it, and you know, it's been my daily driver for a while now. Well, what happened was, I don't know, a couple days ago in the morning, it was about 4:30 in the morning, I was actually driving to the gym on one of the back roads, and I came across a deer that decided he wanted to, a very large buck that decided he wanted to commit suicide with the assistance of the Mercedes. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what the carnage looks like and ask for your assistance, help, and advice. So let me go out to the car and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, here is what it looks like. So the deer was running, I was only going about 40 miles an hour, and the deer was running from the driver's side to the passenger side. He was hauling butt. I did not even see him. I usually do. For the past, gosh, almost 20 years I've been having close calls with deer. But there are an awful lot of them here, and I guess it was just time. So what's weird is the brunt of the impact was here, and as you can see, it buckled the hood, pushed the hood back, and damaged the cowl just a little bit. Now I haven't tried to open this hood yet. I need to try to pull this out a little bit before I do. What's interesting is that all the lights in the blinkers still work. It didn't crack a single one, which is weird. It did not do anything to the fenders, and didn't do anything to the bumper. What concerns me is how it has crushed the core support in. Obviously, this being part of the core support. You know, it needs a new hood, obviously. It needs, obviously, the headlight plastic surrounds. Of course, a grill, thankfully, didn't mess up the new the new emblem. New fan, new condenser, radiator, all that good stuff. But the core is what I'm concerned about. I'm not a body shop guy. I like mechanical work. You guys probably have guessed that by now, and I don't like body work. And I really don't have the room to do an extensive body repair. But I guess I'm gonna have to get this hood up and really look at the extent of the damage. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually, you know, when this happened, obviously it was losing coolant. I was about 2.5 miles from the house, and I drove the car home, and it runs and drives like nothing ever happened, other than it losing coolant. So yeah, it makes me absolutely sick that this happened. This car is 100% totally rust-free. It's been in the South its whole life, and it doesn't even leak. Well, aside from the damage, it doesn't leak a drop of anything. This thing is just phenomenally reliable. So my question is, let me get back in here. So my question is, for you guys out there that watch the video, what do you think about the damage? Obviously you haven't seen the core yet, but what would you do next? It's not really an option to take it anywhere. It would just be too expensive. I need some do-it-yourself type suggestions. Obviously, I can get the sheet metal that I need. I could even go and get the core out of a car, but I'm trying not to do that. I'm gonna try to get this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut the video here. I'm gonna mess with this and see if I can't get the hood up, so I can at least record what the core looks like. And maybe you guys say, hey, you know, it's not that big a deal. Just do, you know, this, and this. But anyway, so that kind of puts a damper on the Mobile 1 test that we were going to do in the car, obviously. But anyway, I want to get this car fixed. I want to get it fixed and get it back on the road, get it driving, because I really, really like driving this car. It's been a great car. So let me see if I can get this hood up so I can record the damage and let you guys see what it looks like actually under the hood. Alright guys, so I was able to finally get the hood up, and yeah, so there's the core support. It looks like the main impact was here. It pushed this in and then it rotated this a little bit, so yeah, there's pieces of stuff everywhere. So anyway, you guys that do body work, what is the proper solution? Oh wow, well I didn't notice this, but yeah, it tore my fan up. I drove this car home and it ran, you know, it ran fine, but obviously this is not any sort of driving state. So looks like it just damaged the oil cooler. Now that thing right there is not cheap. Trying to get the oil cooler lines off here is nearly impossible without stripping this. So anyway, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about the core support. So what do you guys think on the core support? Please, I'm asking for your help, your advice. I don't believe this can be bent back. It probably needs a new one, but I don't know. Get a little tiny bit of damage right there. I guess where that piece. Oh, I hate deer. I like eating them. So anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Obviously I need a new hood, but so please give me some advice, put some comments there, let me know what you guys think, what I should do. And sorry that this video is a downer, but you know, I guess this is part of life. But anyway, please subscribe if you haven't done so, and you know, who knows, maybe we'll do a rebuild video here series. But anyway guys, thank you, and I will talk to you on the next video.